name is Constance White. Currently, I manage the Art in Public Places program for the city of Austin.
Federico here. I've been with AIPP for a little bit over 8 months and with the city for over 7 years doing arts administration and arts education. I am helping to move along our MACC Phase 2 Mexican America Cultural Center call. If you meet me in person or virtually, you feel free to call me either Federico or Freggie. I am very excited to be the point of contact for this opportunity at the Mexican American Cultural Center. The center is currently closed for construction, and it is scheduled to reopen to the public sometime 2025. This is an opportunity for state artists and local artists and Texas artists and artist teams, and the call closes on December 19th at 5 p.m. Texas and local artists as well, Austin-based artists and qualifications should approach opportunity with an open mind and should not attempt to propose new conceptual designs at this phase. So we are not asking you guys to solve a problem. We're not asking you guys to spend too much time on a specific proposal, and that would mean you could be disqualified for doing so. So show us how much you want this opportunity, how wonderful you are, give us 10 images of your work, and no need to solve any problems. I personally, I worked at the MACC for 7 years, so I'm very well versed into that community. The architect Teodoro Gonzalez de Leon is the main architect for this iconic facility, born in the hearts and minds and hard works of Latino activists in the 1970s, and they came to a physical fruition in 2007. So this is the phase 2 of this project, meaning that the center already exists, as I was saying, has already served the public all these years, and now the current construction is for the expansion and the improvement of the facility, and also to develop this relationship of the site to the area around the MACC. How does the community, the cultural center speaks to what is around us. The artwork or series of artwork, because for this opportunity, once, for those that get fast-tracked and get selected, once you are working on this opportunity, you may be able to develop not just one sculptural work, but several sculptural works, depending on your vision. The budget for this particular opportunity is for $190,000. So once again, 3D sculptural work in the outside campus, $190,000, inclusive of your design fees, engineering, permitting, machining, fabrication, transportation, installation, travel, shipping expenses, insurance, and other artwork project-related costs. We are asking for artists that have previous experience creating work in 3D, sculpture, stone, large-scale ceramic, etc., etc. And artists must have lived experience with or relating to Mexican-American culture and heritage in Central Texas, because for this specific opportunity, this cultural center serves the Mexican-American and Latin American population of our city, and there is a heritage of 50 years of work of the community to make the center a reality. So if you, in your practice, has already interacted with these communities, you'll be, well positioned. Design professionals, including architects who do not have a consistent, I think that's the key word there, visual art practice, are ineligible to apply. And artists that have more than 3 permanent works already in the collection or who are currently under contract for a project also cannot apply, and full-time City of Austin employees. We'll have a selection a panel of art professionals. We'll have 5 different voting panelists that will be looking at all of y'all's wonderful work. only one artist of artist-led team will be awarded at this commission. Maybe there will be a process in which a few teams get advanced to be finalists, and in that case, only in that case, we would ask you guys to really create a proposal to solve a problem, and for doing that, you would be paid a fee of $1,000. Submission requirements, your resume, please limit it to 2 pages. There are universal short responses that all of you guys will have the same questions. And then 10 images, once again, 1 image per page. Do not send a gallery of images, because then in 1 page that will disqualify you. And video, you can submit video as well. And there is a 3-minute maximum, I believe, for any videos. And then 3 professional references. And as part of this process, the city does have a demographic survey. Deadline is December 19th, guys, at 5 p.m. If you have any questions, I'm here. I am happy to answer your emails and so forth. And we open the floor for any questions about the Mexican American Cultural Center call.
Contact us directly to ask us any questions. And we also have virtual open office hours every other Tuesday at 10 a.m. And we're happy to share links with you for that as well. Do email us, pop into our virtual open office hours, ask us questions, share your qualifications that you're putting together so that we could be here to help and support you. We are here to support you and to help you in this process. So